So here is Pride Rock Farms by the Dotsons. We attempted to grow in this planter box. We attempted to grow on this side snap peas. And what was the other one? Oh, black-seeded Simpson lettuce. And here we have watermelon. It was so hot here that our lettuce and our peas, we lost the harvest. The sun baked them. It was absolutely terrible and heartbreaking. But the watermelon is really growing. And fun fact, we did not know, but watermelons have male and female flowers. So we're thinking that little guy there, let's zoom in. We're thinking that is a male flower, but it could be a female flower because it has like the little bulb. So yeah, this is all brand new to us. We don't quite know, but essentially, since we don't have any flowers or sunflowers over here for the plant to pollinate, we have to kind of force pollinate it. So we would take some of the goodies inside this male plant and put it onto a female flower. So yeah. Oh wow, look at that. Like, what is, maybe that's a female flower? I don't know. This is all brand new to us, all brand new. Here we decided in the area where the snap peas were, we'll try cucumbers. So we planted these on Sunday, and today is Wednesday. They're already starting to sprout. And it's a good thing in hindsight that the lettuce didn't take, because yeah, watermelon's gonna vine out. It's gonna vine out, so it'll need that space. We also got some peppers. Go back this way. We got peppers, and we also have peppers over here. And these are, I thought they were flowering. Yeah, right there. It was a flower. Oh, here we go. It's flowering. So once they start flowering, it's time that they will start producing fruit or veggies. This one has been flowering as well, so we should get some peppers growing pretty soon. Yeah, so exciting. And then over here in this other planter box, we got some broccoli. We are trying for some kale. It's been super hot. This little poor guy is probably not gonna make it. But these leaves are starting to look different on the kale, as well as the broccoli. The leaves are starting to look a little different than those leaves, so pretty cool. And then over here we got some squash. Stupid heat. We got like August sun heat, August weather going on in June, so poor little plant. But this one is flourishing and may get more shade. So yeah, we'll see what's going on with those. What is the most coolest thing besides the watermelon is we're trying for some corn. And we got 2 stalks growing in there. And look at this. Look at that. That's the start, we're thinking, of corn. So cool. We got one in there. Crazy, huh? And then we call this the green mile. So we got a tomato plant. It is starting to flower, so we should get some tomatoes soon. We got basil growing. We learned a few years ago, well, last year, you put basil in the tomato plant, it will make the tomato sweeter and help to ward off pests too. We have another tomato plant. We got another pepper plant and another tomato plant. And got some daylilies and regular lilies. So my black-seeded Simpson lettuce, it failed over there in the sun. It's getting a lot of sun in this pot. I'm trying to repot it. Try it again. And this area will get more shade throughout the day than that area. So I potted these on Sunday, and we got we got some action. Oh, there too. Very, very cool. Oh, all right, y'all, pop on out, pop on out. And then we got this little area. Oh, probably should close the screen door. We got this little stand off Amazon because we got a strawberry plant, which is so cool. I knew like flowers, I knew plants like bud. Like last year we had the tomato plant bud the yellow flowers. Last year we had the pepper plants, it budded the white flowers. So when these tomato plants started budding the pink flowers, go away plane, I'm trying to do a video. So loud. Okay. So yeah, when I saw the tomato plant budding flowers, it was pretty bright pink. I'm like, oh my gosh, look at it. So yeah, we got lots of tomatoes starting. Not tomatoes, good grief. Strawberries. Lots of strawberries starting. So cool and pretty. And then we just got flowers over here, just like fill up the area to make it look pretty. And hopefully these flowers will bring in pollinators to help with the watermelon. And also we think we have to do the forced pollination too with the cucumber and with the squash. We got a packet, 4 seed packet. It had watermelon. These are sweet baby bush watermelons. I don't remember what kind of cucumber. So the cucumber and the squash and the watermelon came in with a 4-pack of seeds, those 3 seeds, and we got sunflower seeds. And sunflowers are going to be really pretty. They bring in the bees to help with the pollination. So that's what we're thinking, like all 3 of these plants will need some. That is super cool, whatever that is. We'll need some help pollinating since we don't got insects over here to help with that. But this is the garden. We call our home Pride Rock, so here is Pride Rock Farms. And over there on the far fence is where we have planted sunflowers. So exciting. Everything should start to harvest in late July, beginning of August. So we cannot wait to enjoy. We will be monitoring the plants every day, showering them with some water. Planter boxes are really nice because it will tell you if there's no like, yeah, this is still full. Like once it doesn't like bounce back is our clue, like, oh, we need to add some water to the bad boy. But I will come out here very soon and just sprinkle with my watering can the water, or shower them with some little pebbles of water. I cannot talk, I need more coffee. But this is the garden, or the farm. Let me get it right. This is Pride Rock Farms. Oh, so much fun. Can't wait till do it all over again next year. We'll definitely have to venture out and try other things too. I'm not sure what, but yeah. Oh, and we did decide, since this area gets more sun throughout the day, we're gonna put the 2 planter boxes on that side of the deck. Because we already know from last year, the tomatoes and the peppers, they like the sun. They like give it. But we now know like the snap peas and the lettuce, they do need a little bit of shade. They can take the heat, but not directly, so they need a little shade. So yeah, lesson learned, learning experience, but super fun. I'm gonna stop talking or else I'll keep going. Pride Rock Farms, we out.